So y'all, I'm just watching this Tarte palette. That is so pretty. Look at all those colors. I might have to go ahead and cop that. So anyway, moving right along. Yeah, it's early in the morning, 5 a.m. Here I am as an operations associate. So I'm up here stocking Bobbi Brown, y'all. There was so much Bobbi Brown products that came in, and your girl was over there for about a good little minute stocking, okay? So yeah, it's just me putting up lipsticks and things. Took me a little minute, but we got it done. And yeah, it was early in the morning, y'all. I should have got me some coffee, but it is what it is. So moving on to the Too Faced period. Look at that, so pretty. So your girl was over there stacking up. Yeah, I like Too Faced. I love Too Faced, so pretty. And that's Makeup by Mario. I'm over there putting that up. Look at that. Pretty. Yeah. And then your girl Fenty. Yeah. Get into it, Riri. I stayed over in Fenty for like a good little minute, y'all. She had a lot coming in today, so I had to go ahead and, stock my girl up. And yeah. After all of that, straighten up. You know what I'm saying? It was about the end of my shift. And I went on ahead and your girl got her Starbucks drink and I clocked out. Peace, y'all, end of my day.